Alright guys, so we are back with the second video of this. So you guys, I don't know if you guys can see it, but what I did is brake light switches are still the same. They were not changed. The only things that were changed was behind the pedal and the adjusted pedal too as well. I had to adjust the pedal itself to be able to get to the stoppers right behind here. There's stoppers behind the pedal that when you click should activate your brakes. As you can see, they're right about here, right about in the middle, right about there. On top of those stoppers, I put two rubber pieces that are sticking, and I just pretty much put them in there. Ever since that, my two brake lights, which is I got the brake lights switch over here, and I have the cruise control light switch, so those two gotta work together. And that's pretty much what I did under here. I didn't do anything more than that. And you guys could see there's two rubber pieces right about in the middle, in the top. And that'll be it. That's all you gotta do to be able to fix that problem with your brake lights not going on or not going off. And other than that, that's all what I do. Another thing, I noticed that a lot of people were asking me about these. How do you read these? So the stop lamp will be here. That will be a 10. A 10A. You could check the fuse. It's about here. The 10A is right there. That will be the 10A, but there's another fuse on the front that you could check. You could check this fuse, and then you could check the one on the front, but the one on the front, it says something with the lights. It's not gonna give you the whole information, but this one is the closest one to that problem. And I think that'll be it. Other than that, guys, I mean, if you guys have any questions, let me know. We'll get it fixed. We'll try to figure out something. And if you have a question about something else, just click the video, leave your comment down there, and let me know. Thank you for watching the video.